What is your name?
My name is Luna.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Where do you live?
I live in the USA.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
What do you do?
I am a professor.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is coffee.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
What are you doing now?
I am talking to you.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like reading books.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Nothing.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can help you.
Where are you going?
I am going to the market.
Where do you live?
I live in California.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What day is today?
Today is a good day.
Are you busy?
No, I am free.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is golf.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I like traveling.
Do you like wearing watches?
Yes, I like wearing watches.
What is your favorite month?
My favorite month is December.
Can you play any instrument?
Yes, I can play the guitar.
What do you usually do after work?
I like to drink coffee after work.
Do you like cold drinks?
Yes, I like cold dunks.
What is your favorite restaurant?
My favorite restaurant is a pizza restaurant.
Who inspires you the most?
My parents inspire me the most.
What is your favorite sport to watch?
My favorite sport to watch is football.
Do you like going on road trips?
Yes, I enjoy going on road trips.
What is your favorite song?
My favorite song is Perfect.
Do you enjoy drawing pictures?
Yes, I enjoy drawing pictures.
What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is cake.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can ride a bicycle.
What do you do when you feel bored?
I watch videos or listen to music.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I love animals.
What is your favorite clothing color?
My favorite clothing color is black.
Who do you talk to the most?
I talk to my best friend the most.
What is your favorite time of the day?
My favorite time of the day is evening.
Do you enjoy spending time outdoors?
Yes, I enjoy spending time outdoors.
Do you like listening to podcasts?
Yes, I like listening to podcasts.
What is your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is potato.
Can you speak more than one language?
Yes, I can speak 2 languages.
What do you usually do in the morning?
I usually exercise and eat breakfast.
Do you like going to the cinema?
Yes, I like going to the cinema.
Who makes you laugh the most? What is your favorite thing to buy? Do you like studying at night?
Yes, I like studying At night,
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 9 p.m.
What is your favorite breakfast?
My favorite breakfast is pancakes.
Do you like video games?
Yes, I like video games.
What is your favorite weather?
My favorite weather is rainy weather.
Can you sing well?
Yes, I can sing a little.
What is your favorite animal in the zoo?
My favorite animal in the zoo is the lion.
What is your favorite drink in summer?
Yes, I like wearing sunglasses.
What is your favorite drink in summer?
My favorite drink in summer is lemonade.
What is your favorite beverage?
My favorite beverage is cola.
Do you like watching the sunset?
Yes, I love watching the sunset.
What is your favorite cartoon?
My favorite cartoon is Tom and Jerry.
Do you like taking photos?
Yes, I like taking photos.
What is your favorite snack?
My favorite snack is chips.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can dance. A little.
What do you do before sleeping?
I listen to music before sleeping.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I like spicy food.
What is your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject is science.
Who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Mrs. Olivia.
What is your favorite city?
My favorite city is Chicago.
Do you like going to the park?
Yes, I like going to the park.
What is your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Friends.
Do you like watching TV?
Yes, I like watching TV.
What is your dream job?
My dream job was to become a pilot.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat bread and eggs.
Do you like rainy weather?
Yes, I love rainy weather.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a tiger.
How do you go to school?
I don't go to school.
What is your favorite game?
My favorite game is football.
Do you enjoy reading books?
Yes, I enjoy reading books.
What is your favorite place to visit?
My favorite place to visit is the beach.
What is your favorite ice cream flavor?
My favorite ice cream flavor is chocolate.
Do you like morning or night?
I like night more than morning.
What is your favorite holiday? My favorite holiday is Christmas. Can you cook food?
Yes, I can cook food.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I usually relax and watch movies.
Do you like fast food?
Yes, I like fast food.
What is your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is a rose.
Who do you spend the most time with?
I spend the most time with my family.
Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, I enjoy learning English very much.
Do you have any pet?
No, I don't have any pet.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is drawing.
Can you drive a car?
Yes, I can drive a car.
What do you do in your free time?
I watch movies in my free time.
Who is your best friend?
Jessica is my best friend.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I do like shopping.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 11 p.m.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Are you free tomorrow?
No, I am going mall with my friends.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.